Looking to explore the best water activities in Can Tho? From exciting water sports like surfing and jet skiing to peaceful boat tours, Can Tho offers something for every adventurer. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, enjoy unforgettable experiences on the water. Sun Islet Eco Tour Authentic Mekong Delta Experience. Discover the tranquil beauty of Sun Islet, a hidden gem nestled within Can Tho City, through an exquisite eco-tour experience. Immerse yourself in the serene lifestyle of the local community, while being captivated by the breathtaking natural landscapes and tantalizing Mekong Delta delicacies. Embark on a scenic journey along the Hao River, where you can admire the picturesque countryside and witness the unique fish farming techniques employed by the local residents. Engage with the friendly islanders and even participate in feeding the fish if you so desire. Indulge in the freshness of seasonal fruits harvested from lush orchards. Experience the authentic flavors of Vietnam by learning to prepare ban xe, a traditional crispy pancake, with a local family. Savor the warm hospitality of the islanders and revel in the unhurried peace. Premium Can Tho Floating Cooking Class. Embark on an enchanting journey to the picturesque Kai Rang floating market in Can Tho City, nestled within the captivating Mekong Delta. Begin your day amidst the vibrant hustle and bustle of this iconic market, where an array of colorful boats teem with an abundance of fresh produce and local specialties, creating an invigorating ambience. Engage with warm and welcoming vendors as you indulge in an assortment of exotic fruits, and immerse yourself in the rich and distinctive culture of this region. Following your market adventure? Partake in an immersive cooking class, led by a skilled local chef, where you'll acquire the knowledge and techniques to prepare authentic Vietnamese dishes using the freshest ingredients. This unique experience offers a delightful fusion of culinary expertise and cultural enlightenment, promising an unforgettable journey that will leave you with cherished memories and newfound. Can Tho. Peaceful private boat ride on the Mekong. No guide. The Mekong Delta Community-Based Tourism Initiative, a pioneering endeavor by our esteemed organization, aims to empower local boatmen while preserving the traditional riverine lifestyle. By meticulously deducting all operational expenses, including taxes, 100% of the generated revenue is directly allocated to the local boatmen, ensuring a transparent and equitable distribution of income. The initiative addresses the challenges faced by local boatmen, who typically receive low and unstable earnings from brief river crossings, or limited morning work for tourism enterprises, by providing a stable and meaningful additional income. The project fosters improved livelihoods and promotes responsible tourism, sustainable travel, and authentic Mekong Delta experiences that directly benefit the local community. Embark on a serene private boat journey along the Mekong River, offering a genuine and immersive exploration of the Mekong Delta. Distanced